Hello everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and let me show you how to turn on developer options here. Firstly, click on the settings, then find and select About Phone, and now reach all specification. Here you will notice new version, so all you have to do is to tap 7 times on the switcher, and as you can see from now on you're a developer. Let me go back, and now just go to additional settings, and developer options appeared right here. Click to open, and you can smoothly use all of them. Pick the feature that you're interested in and smoothly use it. And then whenever you wish to lock developer options again, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.